So today we'll create a movies component and show a list of movies. In the previous video, we created a new app using Feed, but today let's download the project from my GitHub account. I have shared this link in the description below. The reason we use this project is I have added all the CSS and font that are required for this project so we can focus only on React component. So click Code, download zip to download them on your computer. Then open them in your favorite text editor. I'm using VS Code. To open the terminal, click View, Terminal. Here add npm -i to add all node modules. To run the project, type npm run dev. Press Ctrl and click the link to open the project in the new tab. So this is the preview of our website. If you open app.jsx, you will see I have added movies array containing all the necessary content for the movies list. Now let's create a new component, movies.jsx. Add export default function movies. Add return. You can then cut this div and paste them inside the return. Before showing the content, let's add the markup first. So instead of this text, add the img tag. I will leave the src empty for now. Then add div with the class content. Add s2 tag for the title, p tag for the description, add another p tag and strong tag for the released year. Again, add another p tag and strong tag for the rating. Back in the app component, at the top, let's import movies from movies. Then let's render our list of movies dynamically by using the map method. So add the curly braces, movies array.map, add movies parameter, then add movies component. Add key equals movies.id. Then instead of passing each property, we can use ... movies inside the curly braces. This is called the spread operator. Now, in the movies component, we can use props to get the data from the app component. So add props. For the image source, use props.imageURL. For the title, add props.name. Then add props.description, props.releaseyear, and props.rating. Click the preview, and now we can see a list of movies with all the information. Great. This is the end of this finalization. Thank you so much for choosing my YouTube channel to learn this React project, Movies List. I will see you again in my next video.